very warm welcome from Tastel Fine Foods. Uh, we have been an exporter in the Indian market and been exporting over the past 11 years to majority of the countries in US, Europe, Australia. We have been exporting to New Zealand, Mauritius, all the processed food in basically Indian and also Asian products. We have a factory out in Maharashtra that's near Karad, or 300 kilometers from Bombay, and the range of frozen food products that we have been exporting ranges from finger snacks like samosas, like aloo tikkis, kebabs, both veg and non-veg, parathas, naans, which are again stuffed with veg and non-veg filling. We have a range of base gravies, condiments, Indian spices, which has been exported over the past 11 years to various markets across the world. Our unit in Karad are accredited by HACCP, BRC, ISO 22000 and Halal. These are the packs that have been exporting various products as per the customer choices and the packs they require in export-worthy packing. The brands that we have for the international markets is on the left side. These are Karara Ras Real Indian, which comes in various SKU sizes. And the majority of the supermarket abroad have been stocking and selling our products for over 11 years right now. These are the range of cuisines and the product categories that we are involved in. And now we are using this platform to announce our foray into the Indian market, both food service and retail. The reason of getting the Indian market is because there's 1.2 billion people out here. There are varied choices of food. There's a big gap of international food that's available to the Indian audience right now. The major chunk of 1.2 billion people out in India are youth who are willing to adapt new cuisine, willing to adapt new gadgets, willing to adapt new everything for that matter. And these youth have also have a cascading effect on the mid-aged people who are also willing to explore with new cuisines, both at restaurants, even at home. You have a major chunk who are single men, single women, young students who are going to different cities, living alone. They want an option of getting good food at home at a very easy way to cook and very tasty to eat. Tastel's primary foundation is basically taste. You know, it's not coincidence that we have been called Tastel for ourselves. We have been working on the taste profile of each and every product for the past many years and been offering to various markets across the world. And this year, we are launching a brand called Taste Garden with various global cuisine for the Indian market, both in retail as well as food service. The range of product will involve base sauces, gravies, stir-fry mixes, which will be a home cooking kit. There'll be frozen snacks. There'll be naan parathas, devs, marinade, and also coconut milk. This entire range would be targeted for the youth and families who want good food, tasty food to be cooked at home in a very short span of time. Our motto is actually providing authentic taste combined with convenience, because anybody and everybody would love to cook at home. It's only the operational part that's kind of scary in terms of getting good ingredients when you're trying to cook international cuisine. The range of product that we intend to offer to the Indian market will be rolling out in the retail and food service segment by Jan end. Would be a range of Indian stir fry, which is primarily targeted for the food service segment, and the Asian stir fry would be for the retail segment. And all these Asian stir fry kits would be having 3 sachets of one each of sauce, a 20-gram coating, and a 5-gram of spice mix, so that at the end of cooking, you get the authentic taste coming out of what you cook at home. There's another range of Indian-based curries, again for the food service segment, and we have Asian-based curries for retail, which again comes in a 205-gram pack, which is again a 2-sachet pack for home cooking. There is a lot of coconut milk being imported from Thailand. There is a lot of coconut milk of varied quality being imported from Thailand. And the reason of we getting into this segment is basically to offer premium coconut milk, because we've been exporting this coconut milk to Australia. The amount of response that we've received from Australia is overwhelming. That's the reason we're going to introduce the same product to the Indian market. There is another product that is grated coconut with coconut milk, which will be used by the food service and the retail segment to prepare all your base curries, chutneys, and other products. These are the range of products, both food service pack and retail packs for the Indian market. Bon appetit. Thank you, one. Thank you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to launch the international flavors of international cuisine here in India under the brand Cottage Garden. And I'll request Mr. Vinod Nair to kindly do the honors and launch the product and brand.
This is the retail pack that we sent around the Indian market, which is comprising of 3 sachets.
Congratulations, Tasting Fine Food, on the launch of Cottage Garden in India. Wish the brand all the very best, and we are sure it's going to be an unrivaled success.